Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to be taking a look at how to install Xampp Server on your macOS system. So what you need to do is go to apachefriends.org and over here click on download and you will be brought to this page. Just scroll down and select the package you want to download. If you are running Windows, download the Windows version, and if you are on Linux you can download for Linux. So in my case I am running macOS, so I am going to be downloading uh, the version that is available for Mac. So I have already downloaded the installer, so I am just going to open the installer on my system. And over here you can see that this is the main installer file. Just double click and open it, and just read this warning and click open. Enter your password, and you can see now that the installer is opened over here. Just click next, and we need to install developer files and core files. Click next, and it is telling us where Xampp will be installed. Click next, and over here when you click next, the installation process is going to begin. I have already installed Xampp on my system, so I'm not going to be doing it again. So just close it out. And once the installation is done, what you are going to see is there will be a folder in your launchpad named manage server Xampp, and just open the folder and there will be manage OS X application. Just open that, enter your password, and it will give you the control center that you are familiar with, that is related to Xampp. So if you want to run Apache server, just select the service and click on start. And in my case it is already running, so I'm going to go to localhost, and you can see that my Apache server is running on my localhost. So you that's how you install Xampp. And if you want to access all the files that are in the htdocs folder, what you need to do is open up your Finder and then go to applications, and here is the Xampp folder. Open the folder, and over here you will see the htdocs, and here you can add your PHP code or all the web application that you are working on. That's it for this video, and if you have any questions, do comment down below, and do subscribe to our channel for all the latest videos. Thanks for watching.